What up, everybody? Freddie G once again back for another crypto chat, and this would be episode 6. Today is April 5th, 2021. It's almost 5 p.m. Central Standard Time in the U.S. So let's get it. Today, I got the agenda here, which is our basic agenda. I don't have any guests today, which Sam has been my only guest so far, but like I said, I do have couple other people I want to bring on here in the future. But so today we're gonna look at, like we always do, some prices, some charts, and then I'll have a little crypto art, and I'll have a couple video references. As always, I start on the 27 page, and you guys make sure you like and subscribe to that. This is some of the stuff that I want to be showing here, but we'll do that here towards the end of the video. Let's get into the pricing and analytics of what's going on at the moment. So at the moment, Bitcoin is sitting around 58,700 ish. It's up about 0.58 at the moment. For the 7 days, it's at 2.9. We got Ethereum just on top of the world right now. Finally broke over that the 2K marker here. Let's zoom in a bit. But yeah, so for the day, it's 2.9, and for the week, it's 16.6. So yeah, it's been rocking it. Binance Coin also just doing awesome these last few days over the weekend. It's up 37.45% for the week, which is awesome. We got Polkadot at around 43. Cardano is about $1.20. It's where it's been staying at. Uniswap 30. Litecoin is at 218. We got Chainlink coming back on the top 10. It was getting bumped down there for a little bit by Theta and some other ones, but it looks like it's reclaimed its number here on the top 10. And we'll just scroll down here, kind of go through looking at what we got here. BitTorrent still climbing, number 19. Dogecoin is number 20. I don't know why it started here. I'll take that off. We got VeChain coming in at number 22, and actually today, earlier this morning, I believe, not sure around what time, but it looks like VeChain did break its all-time high today, which was just right around like 9 cents. So now it's at just like a little over 10 cents there. But yes, VeChain is definitely up at the moment. Crypto.com, I'm in that, so that's why I'm mentioning it. But yes, it's also doing very well. I believe 25 cents was its all-time high, so it's getting up there again. Let's see, where else we at. Cosmos around 21. I used to have some of that, but I'm not in that at the moment. I guess this would be the Binance stable, so that's not Binance, it's just their stable coin. I mean, it is Binance, but it's their stable coin or whatever. Let's see here. We got the Chili's at 46 cents. So it doesn't seem like it's been pumping that much since it had its first little pump when it first started to get noticed. Let's see. Let's keep scrolling down here. Engine Coin, I don't have any at the moment, but it's definitely one that I do like. It seems like it's been holding pretty steady at this $2.50 range here for a while now. Let's see, Basic Attention Token doing very well. It's at $1.22. Almost, oh, it looks like it dropped down here a bit. So it's about 3.8% and about 9% for the week. Matic around 36 cents at the moment. Doesn't look like it's been doing too well, but hey, when it's red, it's a good time to buy. So Raven Coin about 20 cents. We got Mana just a little over $1.01. It's doing okay. It seems like it struggles on the weekly, but on the day-to-day and hourly, it seems to be going up above $1. Then it comes under $1, and then it goes over the dollar again. So it's doing all right. Let's see here. Harmony has not been doing the greatest these last few days, even last week, but I am expecting it to do a little better here coming in the next few days. Hope it does. Let's see here. Getting down there to the top 10 or the 100 here. And yeah, I don't really have too much of this, but Ren at $1.04. So trying to get back up there. And yeah, it looks like that is the 100 on Coin Market Cap. Let's look at the Bitcoin chart here. Zoom in first. Give me a sec to set it up. Going into the hourly. And let me just change these numbers up. So like for the moving average, we'll go 20, 50, and 90. And all right, there we go. Let me get you guys zoomed in there a little bit better. All right, so here we are on the hourly for Bitcoin, and it looks like this is right here is where the 5th started. So basically, this was like midnight today. So it looks like Bitcoin has definitely had a nice jump up here in the hourly, where right around here at 9 in the morning today, it had a good pump up from looks like around 58 100 all the way to 59 200. So that's an awesome jump. Looks like we're getting a little consolidation now here at the moment. And for moving average wise, it does look like it's kind of going sideways here, but we might start to get another uptrend. Let's move out. Let's go out into the 4 hour. This looks a little bit better here for our uptrend on the moving averages. We'll look at it in the 8 hour. And here, yep, as we can see, we're definitely the bars are definitely over the moving averages, so that's awesome. I'll go here into the day. So these candles would be daily. So the whole candle is one day. And as you can see, we're still in that awesome uptrend. And just time wise, you could see like way back over here, this is basically December of 2020 where you see me move in here. So and then here we are currently. So we've been in an uptrend this whole time. So it's looking fantastic. Let's get into some news here, the quickie news. So we're on CoinDesk here, and this was interesting. I saw this. I'm not exactly. I'm gonna have to look into this, but as always, we don't get deep into these. We just read the headlines. So Bitcoin's Lightning Network now has 10K active nodes and 69 million in locked value. So that sounds pretty good. Grayscale says it's 100% committed to converting the GBTC into an ETF. So they're trying to offer that more traditional format for that. XRP hits 2-month price high in wave of Ether rally. So I wonder if Ether wasn't rallying, would XRP still be going up? Who knows? Let's look over here. Market wrap. Coinbit steady near 59K. Gains in altcoins push crypto market cap to 2 trillion basically. Yeah, and I think if we look at coin market cap here, let me scroll up to the top again here. We could see that it is around 1.98 trillion. And actually here, let me refresh this really quick. So yeah, so 1.97 trillion, and I did actually look at it earlier today and it said it was 2.2 trillion. So it has kind of come down a little bit, but I'm sure it'll get back up there. Retail investment app Amber hits 1 billion AUM. I think that's their ticker. Might have to look into that one. I haven't heard of them. Here's that same kind of grayscale news I mentioned just a bit ago. Bitcoin, fiat currencies unnerved even as Goldman ditches short USD trade. So there's Goldman Sachs getting into some work. Let's see. Latest altcoin season fueled by XRP, Tron, Stellar pushes crypto market value to 2 trillion. All right, here's a little NFT news. These black artists say NFTs help them monetize their work. And that is from today. So Bitcoin awaits institutional demand for next leg higher. Oda, I can't say that. Oanda says. I think that's Michael Saylor here with the laser eyes. MicroStrategy buys another 15 million more Bitcoin. I'm sure they're just buying that stuff every day, but it's nothing new there. Uh, there's more to inflation than the money supply. Well, yeah, there's tons of things that can cause inflation, but we'll have to look into that on your own. Fearing being cut off from SWIFT, Russia hints about blockchain alternative report, and I think SWIFT is like the way that banks transfer money from one to another. So yeah, that's pretty much all the main news on the front page of CoinMarketCap, or I'm sorry, CoinDesk.com. Let's just look at the. I always like to go in here. Basically, just the Google News. Cryptocurrency is the search term in there. So we'll just read off a few of these. China creates its own digital currency, a first for major economy, and I've heard about them doing this. This isn't new. They've been doing this for a while now. Uh, Latest altcoin season pushes crypto market value to 2 trillion. Uh, Kevin O'Leary says he will only buy Bitcoin mined with clean energy and none mined in China. Okay, Kevin O'Leary. eBang International announces official launch of cryptocurrency exchange. What's behind the Bitcoin hype? Start here. The IRS wants to know all about your Bitcoin holdings, and this court summons is a reminder. So that go look into that if you're worried about tax stuff and see what they're trying to do. Abkhazia bans Bitcoin mining. Oh, somebody trying to call me here? Oh, Sam's trying to call me. Oh, I have to decline you, bro. I'll hit you back. So, yeah, that was Sam. I have to hit him up later. But, yeah, we'll just finish off this news here. So, Bitcoin is trading. Or here, I was saying this one. So, Abkhazi bans Bitcoin mining shortly after legalizing it. It's weird. Bitcoin is trading near 66K in South Korea as kimchi premium returns. Yeah, Bitcoin's a lot more expensive in different parts of the world, which is crazy because it hasn't even hit that as an all-time high. I can't imagine. Like, you're pretty much buying it and then being in debt, like, or not having a profit at all. And who knows? I mean, not that Bitcoin won't get here, but who knows when it will. So I wouldn't buy Bitcoin at these premiums. But if you're in that part of the world, you probably don't have very much of a choice if you want to get it. So, how will China's sovereign digital currency affect fintech? Here's the same thing about the Kevin O'Leary thing. I guess he's saying he's not going to buy. Which, if he's already been buying Bitcoin, he bought it from other people and not from Green Energy. So it's just like these people just they're just saying stuff to say it, just to stay relevant in this. Cryptocurrency market cap hits record 2 trillion, Bitcoin at 1.1 trillion. Yeah, so as you can see, there's always just tons of news. I can't get into all of it, but yeah, those are just some of the main ones here. So, all right, we're gonna switch it out here. Let me go into, we're going to get into the crypto art section of this. So let me just back up a little bit here. I'm going to open up. So the way I'm going to do this, I'm going to show you guys a couple quick videos. So I've been working on these 3D cards. Let's see the video viewer here. It should load up here in 1 sec. There we go. So yeah, these are 3D cards that I've been working on, and these are actually just not sneak peeks, but they're test animation, so they're not in the full quality that they can be, and I'm still planning on animating some stuff inside of the window here, but yes, this gives you a really good look at some of the more advanced crypto art that I have been working up. And a lot of this stuff is up on my 24/7 studio production page. So if you want to look into it a little more, just like see it a little more, I guess in detail, you can definitely go check it out over there. So let me bring up this next one. So that was basically the Bitcoin universe, and then I have got this Ethereum one here, which this one's a little bit different animation inside the window. I try to animate the video. Still looks pretty good, I think. Just I still definitely need to do a little work on this one. But yeah, I think these cards are coming up really good. Hopefully, in about another week, I'll have the final high quality, full resolution files, and then I will try to put them up as NFTs either on Rarible or maybe OpenSea. I got to see which one will be in my best interest to put them up. But then, so I have one more I wanted to show you, and this is kind of a teaser. This is more like fan art. I'm not selling this at all as an NFT, but I will show you. So basically using the same kind of background in the card there, but this is a Silver Surfer variant. I thought it'd be cool to show the Silver Surfer kind of surfing around the crypto space or whatnot. But yeah, I think a lot of these turned out very well. 3D cards aren't anything new. People have definitely been doing these for a while, but I think just recently with certain things are starting to get a lot more attention and be noticed for what they are. So yeah, that's kind of some of the art that I have been working on. And what I want to do here now is just show you guys, and this isn't a tutorial, I'm not going to show you how to actually do this, but I wanted to show you guys here. This is the program that I've been doing this stuff on. It's After Effects, but we go into a bigger view here. And so I'm not going to play the video, but actually let me just go back a little bit and zoom in the card where I think right about there, around 5 seconds, like 4 seconds. So we'll go into, oops, what is this? There we go. So here on the program, I actually have control of like how I want the card to like move or in its orientation in the XYZ space or whatever. But yeah, as you can see, it definitely has some depth in there, and even like the planet up here, you can't see it unless the card gets tilted in that direction. Same here with Saturn, it kind of starts to block it off a little bit over here as the card tilt. So yeah, I just thought I'd show this to people because this is a cool way to interact with the card on the actual program, which once you render it out and make a video of it, you have no control of which way it moves or anything because it's animated. But I'm still trying to figure out a way here maybe in the future where if I put these out, like people can actually like mess with them themselves and like rotate it around and move it around so they could see what they see in there. But yeah, very cool card here. Um, that's pretty much it on that. So I'll go back here just into our page. So for, let's see where we're at in our agenda here. So yeah, that's pretty much the crypto art. So I'm going to leave you guys with, always, I like to reference some videos from YouTube for people to check out. So here's one that I think is really good that people should watch. It's called What is a Dollar? A History of the United States Dollar. So this is a really good video that I think is highly educational, and it will help people understand what are, at least for in the U.S., people that are here, what the dollar is and how it came about and how it's not basically what it used to be. So that's a good video. This other one here is called Gold, the History of Man's 6,000 Year Obsession. And this is actually episode 2. I'm pretty sure I've seen episode 1, but this one I highly recommend to watch. It's got a lot of great information in here, and it's just about an hour. The What is the Dollar one is only 39 minutes, so it's a little shorter. But yeah, these are like great documentary type of videos that just have lots of real good information that will educate you about financial things and just everything beyond. Because I always tell people, if you don't know anything about like Bitcoin and you're learning about that, like the first thing you should do is learn about like money and how that came about. Because if you don't even understand that, it's like, how can you understand what Bitcoin is about? But with that said, I'm pretty much gonna let you guys go. Thanks for checking it out. As always, please follow the 24/7 studio production. Like, subscribe to all of that. I appreciate all of you guys. Freddie G, I'm out.